I'm Germinate Dudley. I can explain you about the three sons. First one is Adam, the created son. Second, Jesus Christ, the begotten son. Third, Pastor Paulo Sikibloy, the appointed son. The purpose and mission of their existence. First, Adam. The very purpose why God created man was to make man his residence, his temple, the dwelling place of his spirit, who is the unseen God. What is the mission of the created son? Why he was created? He would inherit all the things that the Father had created. That is the sonship. He was given dominion over all of the Father's creation. That is the kingship. Second, Jesus Christ. He came the second Adam. Why second Adam? Because his body is from the fallen Adamic race, but his spirit is from God, and there is no sin in him because he was not born of the flesh, but was conceived by the Spirit. Matthew chapter 1 verse 18 to 21. That is when Joseph is about to separate Mary. What is the mission of the begotten Son? His mission is to redeem the sonship and the kingship, which Adam lost in Garden of Eden. The same with the created Son. The begotten Son was also tempted when he was fasting for 40 days and 40 nights in the desert, where the devil visited him and tempted him for 3 times. Third, Pastor Paulo Sikibloy. What is the purpose of the appointed Son? His purpose is to preach the same message that the begotten Son has preached, the same message of repentance. He will be the model and the standard of the Father's righteousness. He brings the true way of salvation. That is why he is the way of truth and the life. No one can go to the Father except he goes through the Son. He was the only entrusted to preach the gospel message that would change man from within to free man from the bondage of the serpent seed. What is the mission of the appointed Son? His mission of the appointed Son is to inherit all the things that the Father has as fulfillment of Revelation chapter 21 verse 7. He that overcometh shall inherit all things. I will be his God, and he shall be my son. I hope that you understand the mission and the purpose of the three sons. Thanks for watching. Father bless you all.